What's going on YouTube? Basekev here again with another pickup video. Today I come to you with a Nike SB Blazer Mid review and unboxing. Today is Tuesday, July 10th, 2018, and Nike SB just dropped this collaboration with Lance Mountain, one and only legendary skateboarder, artist, guy who just kills it on the board. He came up with these new Blazers, came out with 3 of them, with a low, mid, and a chukka style blazer. One's in gray, one is in white, I believe, and one is in blue. I'll show you pictures of what they look like right now. Today I come to you with the University Blue Light Bone Blazer Mids. Here we go, let's show it. Here it is, bam. Very, very sick shoe. Got the gray swoosh. It is suede. It's like short hair suede, but it is definitely suede. It looks a little white, like washed denim type of material, but it is indeed suede. Has Carolina blue colors, baby blue. Features a gray swoosh, a light gray swoosh, and a white sole all around. Pull it out. White sole all around the bottom. Has a gray or gum bottom sole, as you can see, with the classic zigzag rubber sole we got there. Comes with blue laces already tied in, laced up. Also includes a gray pair of laces as well. You can switch it up. It matches the swoosh. And the most notable thing on these shoes are the back heel, where you can see a red flower. So both of them are embroidered. Red flower petals and a yellow middle center embroidered on there. Usually on these type of shoes you would see Nike embroidered on both heels, but since the Lance Mountain collab, we have a special image that he chose himself and decided to put on these shoes. So on the inside, the blazers are indeed attached. The tongue is attached to the sides of the shoes. So when you wear them, you're skating around, the tongues don't go flying all around and aren't centered and go off to the side. I noticed that they've changed those with newer SBs, previously in older SBs and other types of shoes. The tongues weren't attached and they weren't secured into place. So whenever you're walking around or skating or doing whatever you want to do, the tongue would actually slide to the side, and that would annoy me, and it wouldn't feel comfortable, and the laces would look all messed up. But it's little things like that that Nike SB probably heard from their customers and improved their products, which is a great improvement, and I give that thumbs up to them. The tongue inside is a dark green color. Doesn't affect any performance, but it's just a little difference that I noticed. And then the inside of the sole has a blue sole with a gray swoosh. Well, at least painted gray swoosh looks like it. Spray painted stencil around the swoosh. Comes with your basic insole with the air heel. Honestly, these aren't that great. Usually I switch out with FP insoles, which are incredible for skating. I love those. I'll probably switch it out with these before I skate them. But I'll give you guys a closer look and on shoe and on feet look and how they look like on my feet. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, here's a shoe with the lace swap, with the gray laces that came with the shoes. Swapped it out just to give y'all a look. Let me know what you think, if you like these laces or the blue laces more. And I'll give y'all a look at how the blue laces look like on the shoes as well. There you have it, YouTube. The first look at the Nike SB Blazer Mid collab shoe with Lance Mountain. Overall, I love the shoe. Great colorway. Love what they did with the back of the heel. The English rose on it. Nice touch. Definitely gonna skate these bad boys next. I'll probably leave another video and a review of what I thought of the shoe and how they skated. So stay tuned for future videos on that review. If you liked the video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment on what you thought of the shoe and if you picked it up. And subscribe, I'll greatly appreciate it. If you like my comment or content, go ahead and check out my Instagram page. I'll leave the Instagram name on the screen and in the description. Alright, thanks a bunch for checking out the video. Thank you, YouTube, and take it easy. Peace.